And finally tonight, venture capital getting into health insurance. In the second part of our series, Insurance Upstarts, Bertha Coombs takes a look at the challenges and opportunities facing a startup in this environment.
If Oscar's New York City offices seem more like a tech startup than an insurance firm, it's no accident.
We wanted to build a company that was like having a doctor in the family.
Co-founders Kevin Nazemi, Mario Schlosser, and Josh Kushner, whose Thrive Capital helped fund firms like Instagram, set out to use big data much the way consumer-oriented tech firms do, as the driving force to their health insurance startup.
The big data is interesting only if you can light up consumer experiences that point you to the type of doctor that you're looking for, the type of care that you're looking for, or give you the context on what care might cost relative to your specific plan.
They raised $45 million last year to launch Oscar from venture capital firms, including the Founders Fund and Khosla Ventures, and got an additional $30 million this January.
I think that the validation there is that people see the potential in action of a company coming into an industry that has had a history of giants that are slow moving.
Want more information about the Affordable Care Act? Hey, sir, do you have health insurance?
But they're using old-fashioned shoe leather to help build word of mouth and whimsical online advertising. And they say it has paid off in strong demand on New York's health insurance exchange.
You may be able to configure what it takes to be a health plan more efficiently and effectively than a lot of the traditional players.
But longer term, managing medical costs and pricing contracts could be a big hurdle for upstarts like Oscar.
You were interested in learning more about Oscar?
Operating only in New York City, Oscar has contracted with a wide network of doctors and hospitals and with Teladoc, which allows members to access a doctor anytime for free over a phone or computer.
The big question is about managing costs in terms of the medical costs. What have you seen so far that makes you feel that you're on track?
Because we utilize technology and data, we have early signals of what's coming in, and we feel comfortable that the risk that we have is manageable.
In the first 3 months, they say their enrollment was in the thousands, with a slightly younger demographic, mostly under 55 years of age.
Oscar executives won't give any specific numbers until after open enrollment closes March 31st. But in their regulatory filings, they had anticipated signing up 7,500 customers this first year. Now it appears they'll easily exceed that.
Bertha Coombs, Nightly Business Report, New York.